Hi guys, thought I'd show you what I've been up to lately with my BA Falcon. Ever since COVID-19's been around, had some more time, putting and doing some work onto the car. Well, what I've got done lately is install these Velo race seats, roll cage, haltech dash, as you can see the car's all masked up. What I'm doing there is having to spray all the roll cage there, so I've just masked it up. Once I finish that on the weekend, I'm gonna get that all sprayed up and looking good. But I'll show you what I've completed today, and that is the haltech ic7. This device is cool, absolutely love it. That looks cool. Now how I did this is I'll show you. I had to pull apart as you can see, I had to pull apart the original cluster all into little pieces. As you can see, all that, like I stripped my original cluster all apart just to get the motherboard out of it. I left the back protective plastic piece on it, that way the motherboard's all still protected. And what I did is I've mounted it right underneath there, got two bolts, screwed it in and plugged up the two plugs that were originally there. I pushed it down and I got it down there, and I plugged the original cluster in there. It's about 15 centimeters wide, and underneath the dash you just don't see it or anything like that, and everything works brilliant as you can see. Now I've got the dash there. I still get the bells and whistles that the original cluster does to give me all the warnings and that. I still have my blinkers working. I am going to put the inputs there, so I'll get the arrows working there. That's another day. So yeah, it's looking great. I'll go for the default settings. Took me about 2 hours to install, and it came out great, so I'm very happy with it. What you will need to do it for a BA, you need to buy one of the Naco Motorsport dash cluster to suit the ic7, and I got it in the recessed version, so it's flush. I don't know if you can see it. So it sits flush, and then it looks very factory. That's much better. It was just too bright before. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it just sits in there perfectly nice and flush. So yeah, the haltech ic7 installed in the BA Ford Falcon XR6 Turbo.